Let's keep an eye on that red car up ahead. We're about to witness a dangerous driving incident unfold.
Here's a story.
Oh, looks like trouble. The red car nearly loses control after making contact with the white car. The consequences of reckless driving can be severe, as we've just seen. In this unfortunate turn of events, it seems the truck driver may have overlooked something crucial. The truck driver is attempting to move backwards, but it looks like they might be encountering a problem. It's possible there's an issue with the reverse gear. Watch closely as law enforcement executes a textbook maneuver to bring this pursuit to a swift end. In a moment of quick thinking, the driver who owns this video attempted to evade the black car, but unfortunately, a collision occurred involving 3 vehicles. The driver of this car attempted to avoid the black car, but was struck by the car following behind. It's regrettable that the individual responsible for initiating this chain reaction managed to evade capture. A mysterious crash. What unfolded with the driver? Their car collided with the barrier separating the lanes. There was no sound heard from inside the car. One can only hope the driver emerged unharmed. In a heart-stopping moment, the truck loses control and begins to somersault uncontrollably. After several terrifying rotations, the truck finally grinds to a halt. Miraculously, the driver manages to emerge from the wreckage, shaken but alive. A stark reminder of the importance of caution and safety on our roads. A sobering sight unfolds as the car collides with the rear of the truck, resulting in severe damage. This serves as a stark reminder that impatience behind the wheel can lead to devastating outcomes. In a moment of sheer fortune, divine intervention seemed to answer your call. You've miraculously survived a powerful impact from the left side of the car. Surprised when the car went up, he did not handle the situation promptly. Determining fault will require investigation into the cause of the loss of control and any potential contributing factors. In a harrowing moment on the Idaho interstate, a pickup truck towing a camper loses control, hurtling over the bridge's guardrail. Suspended in mid-air, 2 occupants along with their faithful dogs await rescue in a race against time. In the bustling streets of Guangzhou, China, chaos ensues as 3 towering container trucks collide with a smaller truck. The smaller vehicle bears the brunt of the collision, struck forcefully from the side. Venturing onto snowy roads can be perilous, especially if you're uncertain of your driving skills and techniques. One wrong move, and you could find yourself careening down the hillside at any moment. It seems the driver of the red car may be inexperienced, perhaps a new addition to the road. Let's exercise extra caution and patience, understanding that everyone starts somewhere on their journey as a driver. Crane mishap, narrow escape in Basingstoke. A dramatic turn of events as mobile crane 27 topples over, its weight unbalanced, crashing through the roof of a nearby bungalow. Miraculously, none of the workers at the site sustain injuries, despite the immense destruction caused by the fallen crane. It's becoming increasingly evident that a serious reassessment of their driving privileges is in order. Their blatant disregard for the safety of themselves and others suggests a pressing need for intervention. Fortunately, luck was on their side, sparing them from a potentially tragic fate. Their remarkable luck ensured they avoided what could have been a devastating outcome. Let's take a moment to appreciate their fortunate escape and remember the importance of staying safe on the road. A sudden turn of events as the vehicle veers off course, causing the cargo to spill and scatter across the road. The driver's negligence in overlooking the height restriction sign while crossing the overpass has resulted in this costly collision. The financial burden of compensation looms large for the driver as a consequence of their disregard for safety regulations on the road. A concerning report emerges of a driver who was exhausted after a marathon 10-hour journey. Fatigue takes its toll as the lorry drifts off course, veering dangerously onto the hard shoulder before careening uncontrollably to the right. Let this serve as a stark reminder of the critical importance of staying alert and well-rested while behind the wheel. This footage serves as a poignant reminder of the necessity to keep our attention firmly fixed on the road ahead. It underscores the crucial role of unwavering focus in ensuring safe and responsible driving practices. Driving off the road is a grave mistake, one that cannot be excused, unless perhaps the driver is still battling fatigue. Even as some semblance of alertness returns, the driver's actions are puzzling as they relinquish control of the steering wheel. Despite the red light signaling for 6 seconds, the driver chose to proceed, leading to the complete breakdown of their vehicle. This serves as a clear example of the repercussions one should face for such negligence. Luckily, the timely arrival of the UPS truck prevented further harm. The aftermath of a FedEx truck collision. In the treacherous icy conditions of I-35 in Fort Worth, Texas, chaos ensued as a FedEx truck collided with a 100-car convoy. The result is a tangled web of wreckage, a stark reminder of the dangers posed by icy roads and high-speed collisions. Did you see that? This driver narrowly dodged disaster, didn't they? Just look at the scene where the wheel snapped clean in half. It seems they wisely decided to cut their losses and leave the scene, avoiding further trouble. The truck's overloaded and it cannot go uphill. The car decided to stop, but it was too heavy and caused the car to slide downhill. It's a risky situation. Luckily, the person in the white car emerged unharmed. It's a reminder to stay alert and patient on the road. In a heart-stopping moment, the footage reveals a white Freightliner veering off the I-30 overpass. Miraculously, the truck narrowly misses colliding with a northbound vehicle as it plunges downward. Tragically, upon impact, the Freightliner erupts into flames, engulfing the southbound lanes in a fiery spectacle. A tense moment unfolded as a sizable metal coil slipped off a trailer, landing at the northeast corner of the intersection. Fortunately, luck was on our side today, as there were no reported injuries from the incident. Merging can be tricky in Portland, and actions like this only exacerbate the situation. Allowing one vehicle to merge disrupts the flow, prompting others to attempt the same. Your anger makes me very happy. In a harrowing moment, a speeding truck careened into the roadside barrier, causing severe damage to the front of the vehicle. The impact was substantial, leaving the front of the car horribly broken. Fortunately, amidst the chaos, the driver emerged unscathed. Let's address this, folks. The lane that red truck just turned into was not a designated turn lane. Such reckless behavior puts everyone at risk. A heated confrontation unfolded on a Dallas highway involving 2 vehicles caught in a road rage incident. In the heat of the moment, the truck's flatbed trailer tore the bumper off the SUV before hastily driving away. Such reckless behavior endangers everyone on the road. Let's remember to prioritize safety and respect while driving. Tight amidst a blinding snowstorm in Pennsylvania, chaos erupted as an out-of-control lorry collided with a truck, capturing the harrowing moment. A tense moment unfolded as the truck crane overturned, leading to the massive truck's fall. In a harrowing moment, a speeding truck careened into the roadside barrier, causing severe damage to the front of the vehicle.